This glares a lot in the light. You almost have to like... Can you see it better if I do that? Today I'm going to review Snow. It's a teeth whitening kit that's supposed to be helpful for people with sensitive teeth. And I used to use those teeth whitening kits that were things you stick on your teeth, and they totally made my teeth very sensitive after I used them, and I couldn't drink cold water and stuff. So I really stopped whitening my teeth for a very long time because I didn't like that my teeth got sensitive after I did it. So when I heard about Snow and that they're useful for sensitive teeth, I was really excited to try them out, but I was wondering, is it going to actually work? And so I wanted to give you my honest thoughts on what I think about this product. Basically, it's a mouth guard with LED lights and magic, basically. I don't know their exact formula, but I'm sure it's pretty much magic to me that they can make my teeth whiter without making them sensitive, so I'm excited to try it out. Also, it even says here on the side that you can have whiter teeth within 21 days, which is not a lot of time. You technically get a 6-month supply and up to 75 treatments, but they say they can do it in 21 days, so that's what I'm here to do, is put it to the test and give you my thoughts about it. When you first open your kit, you're gonna receive instructions that tells you what to do. This guide tells you everything that you're gonna get inside your kit, but then on the back it also tells you how to use the device properly. And it's really simple. It says brush your teeth, apply whitening syrup, it's serum, not syrup. Step 3 is to plug LED light into your device and whiten for 10 to 30 minutes. Step 4 is to remove light and rinse your mouth with water. And that's it. It's literally that simple. You also will receive a teeth shade guide so that you can see how yellow your teeth are and how white they are getting after treatment. So I already feel confident that the product will work well because they aren't gonna send you this to track your results if they don't give you results. So I'm already excited. I'm already think it's cool that they give me this. I get to track my results after so many days to see where I'm at on this scale. You also will receive your Snow whitening mouth guard that comes with the phone attachment. And the cool thing is it comes with any phone attachment or computer or anything, USB, iPhone, Android, MacBook Pro, I think. That's like all the different, the Thunderbolt or something they're called. I don't know. Any device you have, dude, you could hook this thing up to your Game Boy, I bet. It has any type of adapter you need. You also will receive 3 whitening wands and 1 gold extra strength whitening wand that I guess is supposed to hold the serum in it. There you go, entertainment and a show. Or I mean, dinner and entertainment. So for the first thing, when it comes to sensitivity, I did not have any issues when I was using this product. This one was fine, and there's also like an extra strength one. This gold one also didn't bother my teeth at all, and I didn't know if it was. This is the one that I was nervous about because it's like extra strength or extra whitening power magic, and it worked fine. So I didn't have any issues, and that's like probably like the biggest thing for me is I don't want my teeth to hurt afterwards, especially drinking cold waters or anything warm. So that's a plus in my book. Something else that I like about it is that it's easy to use. It's just part of my daily routine now, actually my night routine. I just put it on after I get done brushing my teeth before I go to bed, and I can just scroll on my phone and I will just get my teeth whitened during that time. So it's really convenient. I also like that it comes with all these different adapters because there are times when I was working on my computer and I just plugged it right into my computer while I got my teeth whitened. The one downfall I would say is that for the iPhone one, for my phone, the light doesn't stay on for the full duration, and I don't know why this is. I can unplug it and replug it back in and it'll work, but when I have it plugged in, the light will just turn off after a certain amount of time. I don't know how long it is, maybe a minute or so. But my wife's phone, it works fine. So I don't know if it's just something like I have an older phone. It's like the iPhone X. I don't know. I never updated to the newest software. Maybe if I did, it would work normal, but it works fine on my wife's phone and it still works for a decent amount of time. It does just shut off after a while. So I don't know why that is, but it didn't stop me from getting my teeth white. Something else that I wanted to point out is when you're using this product, there's not really specific details on how to use it. And so I just like kind of researched a little bit on their website, or I found another video of how to actually use the product. So that's something that's like not straightforward in the directions, is how to actually use it. So once you pop your lid off, there's a bottom part that you can twist, and that will spew fluid out of the top of it that you can put on your teeth. So that's how you actually use the product. It doesn't tell you how much to use. I kind of just like lathered up my top row and bottom row of teeth and then put the mouth guard in. So like there's no like specific like this is the exact recipe, but it's pretty like common sense, I guess, like self-intuitive or whatever you call it. Overall, I had a good experience using it, and there is a ton of the serum stuff for me to use, so like I'm gonna keep using it. I might use the extra whitening strength one for like when I have events like a wedding that's coming up or different things like that. I'll use it for kind of those things, but this general use one works fine for me and it continues to whiten my teeth, so I'm pleased with it. I'm happy. That's about all I have to say about it. If you want one, pick it up. The link is in the description. If you're looking for a teeth whitening kit that doesn't hurt your teeth because your teeth are sensitive like mine, like that's my selling point, because my teeth are sensitive. So if you're like me, then hey, this might be right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another one. I've been working on those pen tricks. Oh.